Well, good Thursday morning. Robert Smith here, McClarty Ford Quick Lane, right here on College Drive. We want to talk about brakes today. Squealing, making noise, not wanting to stop. This fella here, he needed them a long time ago before he come and seen us. As you can see, there's no pad left at all on this thing. What we like to do when you come in, we really like to do that works package, oil change and tire rotation. That does two things. That lets us rotate your tires so they wear evenly, but it also lets us look at your brakes each time you're in. We have one of the best warranties on brake pads in the industry, usually about the best price. We like to turn the rotors with our own car brake lathe, get them nice and smooth, no bumps on them, no grooves. That way when you're on the highway and you're slowing down, getting off that interstate, it slows real smooth instead of any shaking in your steering wheel from like a warped rotor. If you got any questions, stop by and see me or Joey. We're right here. We're here 7 to 6 Monday through Friday. And on Saturdays, we sneak out a little early on you. We're here 7 to 2. Thank you. Have a blessed day.